Hi Cancer, welcome to your reading. If you are new here and don't want to miss the daily tarot readings, subscribe now by clicking the red button below this video. This is a general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with all of you. At the end of this video, if you are interested, I will also record an extended reading to know more specific details on their feelings and intentions for you at this moment. Now let's start with the reading. First, let's shuffle the deck 4 times for you. The overall energy is the Six of Swords in the reverse. Someone can't let go, someone can't move away, or they want to return. This is the overall energy for the reading. Let's see what happened in the past. The Chariot, it seemed like there may have been a long-distance relationship. The desire was there to make this connection successful, but it had many challenges. I think you had different personalities at the same time, but despite all those differences, both of you wanted to make it successful, and it seemed like it was a happy time for both of you being in this connection. Now, what is affecting you in your subconscious that you may not be aware of is the fact that what happened was unexpected, and like it crashed the castle of love. It came as unexpected, but I think it had lots of little small crashes during the relationship, and what happened was not unexpected. Maybe you were just ignoring the red flags. At the current situation, Seven of Pentacles and the Lovers in the reverse, you are waiting for them to take an action, but the challenge is that it seems like, for you at least, the passion and love is not there anymore. So you may think that they don't love you the same as before. Let's see your focus and how you view the situation. You want to be with them. You think this is a powerful connection. Here we have the Sun in the recent past. Also, it seemed like a perfect couple. Maybe you were soulmates. The problem is the challenges. It seemed like an uphill battle, this connection with the Five of Wands. Lots of arguments. Your hopes or fears is Two of Wands. You are a bit hesitating now. You haven't given up on this connection. You are just thinking, what should I do next? Maybe you are having another option, but you haven't forgotten the past person yet. Let's see what is happening with them. King of Cups, they love you. This person really loves you. They have the King of Cups, or at least that's how they feel. They want to make this connection successful with the Six of Wands. Let's see what is happening in the near future. And the potential outcome is the Strength in the reverse. Let's see why the Four of Swords. I don't see any communication coming immediately because there's lots of pain and hurt into this connection. I think both of you need some more time healing. Let's see why the Strength in the reverse. Queen of Swords, Page of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so I don't sense communication coming this month for you, Cancer, but there's lots of stalking in social media, wanting to talk. The idea is to be open and be vulnerable now and communicate, but there's no talking. So the pain is very deep and hurtful, and I think that's why you need to both of you need some more time healing. They love you, they want to make this connection successful. Meanwhile, you are waiting for them, you think it is a soulmate connection. And this overall energy is the Six of Swords in the reverse talks about the desire to come back and communicate. But at least for this month, there will be both of you will give the impression that you are distant emotionally, but behind the veils, you are looking each other on social media or asking friends on friends, and I think there will be a postponed communication, maybe at the end of the month or at the beginning of the next month. Anyway, I will continue this reading in the extended video where I want to view more about the energies of this reading. Also, I will see how does your person feel now, how do they view you now, and what are their intentions. Also, with this extended reading comes a bonus video. Thank you very much, see you in the next reading, and bye for now.